What up everyone, I am back again with another video. So today's video is my latest shoe haul. As you guys know, I am somewhat addicted to my shoes, even though I haven't shown my shoe collection. That should be like a future video, but so this is the latest shoe that I got and it's honestly super dope. It is from Puma. Bam. And honestly, it is amazing. It's like a beige color. It's a sock. Ooh, it is amazing. So let me unbox it for you guys. So the shoe comes like this. I have not worn it yet because super dope. Like honestly, look at that beige color, the chevron stripes on the sole, and look at the gum sole rubber at the bottom. So it really, you ain't slipping with these. You ain't slipping. And then it has like the Puma embroidery, the Puma name is all up in the shoe, and it has like that very high sock, so it kind of gives you like those Balenciaga vibes, but it's not so high. It's got that double hinge, to put in your foot easily in and out, and then it's got like that sock feature, so it's definitely gonna be comfortable, not too tight, not too much. And I like how it has like the straps on it, like it's very excessive, kind of like Gucci, like with the straps and stuff like that, like off-white, so it gives me like those vibes. But yeah, it's very athleisure looking. And it comes with like their version of like what Adidas has Boost, Puma has Ignite. So yeah, it's super dope, and it's got that sock feature, and it kind of reminds me of like the colorways, like the whole Yeezy shoe collection with like the moon shoes or like the rat shoes. I don't know what they're called, but they're like the same colorway, and they've been dressing up like in the gray monochromatic colors. So I think that would be really perfect, because I feel like the light beige never goes off style. Hence there's a brand name called Off-White for it, but it's super cool. It's got the strapping in the middle, it's got the lacing, as you can see, the chevron stripes on the sole, the gum, so ensure you ain't slipping. And then it also comes with evoKNIT, which is essentially like Nike has Flyknit, they have evoKNIT, so it's like their version of evoKNIT, but it kind of reminds me of that snake pattern, how like it has like that dark thing, and then you're able to tell if it's poison or not by like the way it's like patterned and whatnot. So it goes from like a wider knit to a tighter knit on the outer edges, and then it enters into another color scheme here, like a brown and white scheme. And it kind of reminds me like cinnamon on white paper, but and then it has like this plastic rubber ending, and then it has like another Puma logo right there, and it also has a very defined sock. So it's kind of like a shoe made out of sock. With the shoe, it also has a bold color height, which you can see where the Puma logo. So it's like very kind of like a high sock, ankle sock. It's kind of like an ankle sock if you think about it. So it's very bold, it's very in your front face, and I feel like that tiny detail of adding like their name within embroidered in there, it actually adds like that effect. Like it gives it like those fine details that really make the shoe unique and one of a kind. And it also makes it like very flexible, so it's very easy with these pull tabs just to insert, get out, once again, like I said. And honestly, I can't wait to be showing you guys outfits with it pretty soon. And the best part, it was on sale, so it was only like $70 because they were having like an annual sale type of thing, and they do fit to size. So the shoe also has many details. Another detail is they ensure that it is a Puma shoe, from the Puma logo in the side to the Puma logo name on the sock itself, and it as well has Puma on the back right there. So if you guys love yourself some Puma, this shoe will ensure that people know that. But super cool shoe, honestly very lightweight, like it doesn't even weigh that much. And it is like the Puma evoKNIT hypernature shoe. So even the name stands out, just like this shoe stands out. So yeah, so that is all I have for you guys today. If you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and subscribe and show love to my other previous videos, and the one before that, and the one before that. So yeah, thank you for watching. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button.